Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Ghost subscriptions for member-only access, detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Ghost subscriptions for member-only access, begin by logging into your Ghost admin dashboard. Navigate to the settings section in the left sidebar menu. Click on membership to access the membership settings. Ensure that the membership feature is enabled. Next, scroll down to the subscription section. Here, you will see the options for configuring your subscription settings. Set the subscription pricing if you want to charge for membership. You can select a monthly or yearly subscription plan. Enter the pricing details as per your preference. Next, enable the member-only posts option. Now, navigate to the posts section from the main menu. Create a new post or edit an existing one. In the post settings, look for the visibility option. Save your changes to the post. Return to the members section in the settings. Navigate to the email settings under the general settings. Craft a welcoming message for your new members. Make sure to include relevant links to member-only content. Once you're satisfied with your email, save the changes. Finally, test your configuration by creating a test subscription. Review your settings regularly to maintain access controls. By following these steps, you'll successfully configure Ghost subscriptions for member-only access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.